Good morning, everyone. This is your SST class. Okay, so we have been studying about the peninsular plateau in this chapter. है ना? We have studied most of the parts. So for now, from today, we are going to study from this part, that is Odisha. Okay. So Odisha is situated in the northeast part of the peninsular plateau. It is situated in the northeast part of peninsular plateau. That means in this side here, near the west, this is our Odisha. This is the northeast part of the peninsular plateau. Now, Bhubaneswar is the capital. Bhubaneswar, you must remember that Bhubaneswar is the capital city of Odisha. And the second thing, Cuttack is a main industrial city. Puri has many temples. As you know, Jagannath Puri is famous for temples. The annual Rath Yatra Puri is very famous. The annual Rath Yatra. You must have heard about the famous Rath Yatra of Jagannath Puri. The Paradeep is only part belonging to Odisha. Paradeep is the only port belonging to Odisha. Port. What is port? So where ships are kept. Is a place where ships are kept is called port. So next, agriculture is the mainstay of economy. Agriculture is mainstay of economy. Means the people over there are mainly dependent on agriculture for money or income. Rice and jute are the main crops. As you know, we have already studied about this. The rice and jute are the main crops of Odisha. Odisha is famous for its textile. By textile we means clothing, especially cloths and silver work. Odissi is the popular classical dance of Odisha. You must remember that. Next, we are going to go see about the Maharashtra. The Maharashtra is the place of plateaus. Its western upturned rims rising to form a Sahyadri range, a parallel of western sea coast, and slopes gently descending towards east and southeast. The Maharashtra प्लेसेस ऑफ प्लेट्यूज, मतलब महाराष्ट्र को क्या कहा जाता है? ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे प्लेट्यूज रहते हैं. इट इज़ अ वेस्टर्न अपटर्न रिम राइजिंग टू फॉर्म अ सह्याद्री रेंज. इट्स वेस्टर्न रिम्स राइजिंग एंड फॉर्म अ सह्याद्री रेंज पैरेलल टू वेस्टर्न सी कोस्ट. किससे पैरेलल? वेस्टर्न सी कोस्ट से पैरेलल. इट स्लोप्स जेंटली डिसेंडिंग टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट एंड साउथ ईस्ट. द रिवर्स गोदावरी एंड कृष्णा फ्लो थ्रू द स्टेट. Which of the two rivers flow from Maharashtra? That is Godavari and Krishna. Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra. As you all know, the Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra. The lava soil of Maharashtra is good for growing cotton, sugarcane, groundnut, millets, fruits like mangoes, oranges, bananas are also grown in this state. Men mostly wear a shirt, dhoti, while women wear saris. People speak Marathi. The main festivals are Ganesh Chaturthi, Navratri and Diwali. So here in this picture we can see the Ajanta caves, Ajanta and Ellora caves. Okay, so this Ajanta and Ellora is famous tourist destination in Maharashtra. Now next, and Christmas, Lavani and the folk dance. So there are many things we can study about the Maharashtra. Important tourist centers of state are Ajanta, Ellora, Elephanta. You must have heard about all these caves: Ajanta, Ellora or Elephanta. Mahabaleshwar, Matharam, Panchgani, Kanheri and the Karla caves. These all are the tourist spots of Maharashtra. Next is Karnataka. Karnataka. To the south of Maharashtra lies the Karnataka. Where does the Karnataka lies? To that south of Maharashtra. We know that in the bottom. This state has very old history. Karnataka have very old history. Bengaluru, erstwhile Bangalore, is the capital of the state. The earlier it was known as Bangalore. Currently it is known as Bengaluru. है ना? That what is capital of Karnataka? Then the correct answer is Bengaluru. Karnataka has been forefront of information and technology. Karnataka has always been a step ahead from other states in comparison in the case of technology. As we all know, Bengaluru has become a famous IT hub of our country. Other big cities are Mysore, Hubli, Bijapur and Dharwad. The rivers Krishna, Tungabhadra, Kaveri flow through this state. We must remember the names of the rivers. Most of the people states are farmers. That most of the people are states are farmers means the most of the people in this state are engaged in agriculture. They grow cotton, sugarcane, coffee, spices and jowar. The forests are full of teak and sandalwood trees. The people of the state speak Kannada. The people of the state speak Kannada. Men usually wear a lungi and a shirt, while women wear colorful silk sarees. Handicraft items. Handicraft item means handmade items. The people who make the artisans who make themselves by their hand is known as handicraft items made of sandalwood. Made of what? Sandalwood. Are very famous. Tourism is also famous here. Karnataka is one state, many worlds. We must remember this slogan. Okay, one state, many worlds. यानी कि एक स्टेट में बहुत पूरी अलग टाइप की दुनिया. Is becoming the hub of tourist attraction of South India. The state is known for its heritage. ये स्टेट किस लिए जानी जाती है? अपने हेरिटेज के लिए जानी जाती है, मॉन्यूमेंट्स के लिए जानी जाती है, इको टूरिज्म डेस्टिनेशंस. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज आंध्र प्रदेश. आंध्र प्रदेश is bound on the north by Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Andhra Pradesh is located in such a manner कि इसके नॉर्थ में क्या आता है? उड़ीसा आता है, छत्तीसगढ़ आता है. ऑन द वेस्ट बाय द महाराष्ट्र, इसके वेस्ट में क्या आता है? महाराष्ट्र एंड कर्नाटका. ऑन द साउथ बाय तमिलनाडु, साउथ में क्या आता है? तमिलनाडु आता है. ऑन द ईस्ट बाय बे ऑफ बंगाल. दिस इज हियर वी कैन सी आर आंध्र Pradesh. This is our Andhra Pradesh. This we can see here, Bay of Bengal. Okay. Now we all know what is where is Andhra Pradesh and where is the Bay of Bengal. Okay. Next is the people. Tamil Nadu east by Bay of Bengal. The capital city of the state is Hyderabad. The capital city of the state is Hyderabad. The people mainly depend on agriculture. People over here mainly depend on agriculture. They grow rice, jowar, tobacco, sugarcane and groundnut. The state is longest producer of tobacco in India. Okay. The people mostly speak Telugu. Speak mostly what? Telugu. Urdu is also spoken in Hyderabad. Kuchipudi is the most popular dance. Kuchipudi is the most popular dance form. Andhra Pradesh is famous for Bidri work on brass and copper. The Charminar and the Salarjung Museum are the popular tourist attraction. The Venkateshwara temple at Tirupati is famous pilgrimage center. Next is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is bounded on the north by Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. North by Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, यानी कि upper side of the map. That on the west by Kerala. West by Kerala. We know where west belongs in the left hand side, है ना. On the east by Bay of Bengal. We all know east belongs to the right hand side. On the south by the Indian Ocean. We all know south means bottom. It is famous for temples. It is famous for what? It is famous for temples. The main temple towns are temple towns. What are they? Temple towns. Are the Madurai, Tanjavur, Tiruchirappalli and Kanchipuram, Chennai. The capital city of the state also has many temples. Chennai is the capital city of the state. What do you know about the capital of Tamil Nadu? So the capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Has many temples. Also famous for many other things. The state is also famous for its silk sarees. What the state is famous for? The state is also famous for its silk sarees. Kanchipuram and Madurai are the main centers of silk weaving. Are the main centers of what? Silk weaving. Farming is the main economic activity. What is the main economic activity? Farming. What is the main economic activity? Farming. Rice, sugarcane, cotton and groundnut are the main crops. Tea and coffee are grown along the slopes of Nilgiri Hills. We have also heard about Nilgiri Hills in the previous part of the chapter. Now, Bharatanatyam is the most popular dance and Tamil is the main languages. We must know these facts about the state, that Bharatanatyam is the popular dance and the Tamil is the main language over here. Pongal is the most popular festival and people eat rice, idli, dosa, upma, sambar, curd. Major tourist centers are Mamalapuram, Kanchipuram, Rameshwaram, Chindambaram and many other places. With this, our chapter is done. In the next video or class, whichever is earlier, we will complete our exercise. Have a nice day, everyone.